Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vadim and I'm a beginner day trader. Today is day number 41 of the small account challenge, and before I'm gonna continue with my daily recap, I wanna ask you to support my channel by hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel. If you don't wanna miss my future videos, also hit a bell notification button below. So when I sit today in front of my computer, it was 5 minutes before 7. We had one leading gapper that was up over 90%. So, and unfortunately, it was a cheap penny stock, around 17 or 18 cents. So I wasn't interested trading it. So, however, I noticed BINI on low flow top gainer scanner. I pulled up my chart and I decided to take my first trade. So, however, today I did not follow my rules because on the first trade it hit my max loss on the trade, which was $2.48. However, I did not sell. I decided to wait a bit, and I noticed that the stock was strong around VWAP. So I decided to add to my position. So I bought 20 more shares and I was trading with my whole account. So my whole position was 40 shares of BINI and I was able to make over 16 cents per share on this trade. So my max loss was $5 and I knew that when $5 is gonna show on my minus $5 is gonna show on P&L of the day, I had to sell the whole position. So it was a pretty risky trade. However, I decided to take this trade and it paid off. So finishing my day plus $6.70 or 6.74%, which is awesome. Really good green day. So, however, I'm gonna do something differently on Monday because I don't want to put myself in this position again when I'm not following rules. So I'm gonna continue again trading only with 50% of my account, and this is gonna be a plan for next week. So this is my day, and right now I'm gonna show you my trades in a pre-market session. Good morning guys. On the scanner we have Oris 110%, penny stock, $0.29 is high of this candle on a daily. This is probably will be a resistance on Oris. We have MRM 70% on a day, 6 million share float, trading below VWAP. Look at the volume on Oris, 161 million. I see key KPRX with news, 2 million share float, light volume, expected earnings, US company. Up 10% in a day. KPRX has news. At 7 o'clock. Looks like we don't have any reaction on the news. Same volume, 3,000. So now leading gapper is MRM. Looks like it's trading higher. There is a beanie on the scanner. $321,000 share float, today's company. So what's with this chart? So don't want to buy this MRN because it has a similar chart, and you know, I traded yesterday, bought too high and I had to step out. Double top at 256. BI and I moving higher, looks like that it's way below. There were lots of splits on the stock. I'm trying to find the resistance on the stock, so I had to see where it can go. 238. $257. I'm still scrolling, trying to find the stock, the resistance. It's way below. It was set and go for a very long time. Topping tails on 1 and 5 minute charts. 269 is next resistance, then 406. So it has some room. Let's be I stock. I'm buying, trying to buy. Can I buy? So I have 20 shares of the stock. My max loss is $2.48. Looks like it's hitting my max stop loss immediately. So really volatile stock. I'm gonna give it a second. We have a 269 resistance level. That looks bad. Look at the moves. BINI 6% on a day. Nothing crazy yet. I made in here. Looks like the stock moving higher. I have 30 shares and I can probably buy 10 more. My max loss will be $5. I wanna add off UWeb. We have a support there, looks like. I'm gonna buy off UWeb. I have 40 shares. My max loss is $5 on this position. The stock is moving, struggling right now, but still not too bad. We need to break this 247 level. It looks like we're breaking, nice. But not really a strong breakout. We'll see what the stock wants to do. 250, great. Up 15% on a day. a BI and I stock. That's nice to see. What it wants to do now. Is it strong to keep going, or it's gonna sell off? Nice breakout. I'm selling 10 shares here. Trying to sell 10. Sold 10. If it wants to move higher, I'm gonna sell another 10. Looks like it might break the high of the day. I'm selling here on the double top. Trying to sell on the double top. Looks like we have trouble there. Can we try to break it? I sold 10 more shares. BI and I hitting the scanner. Probably a lot of traders will see the stock right now. Do they want to jump on the stock? That's a question. We're moving higher. Selling another 10 and leaving, and here I'm gonna sell the rest. So finishing the day plus $6.70. This is a nice green day. Remember, trading is risky. My result is not typical. If you want to learn how to trade, first find a strategy, learn it in a simulator before putting real money on the line. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Monday.